Lady Warriors face the Lady Bulldogs in our TV schedule on Saturday. Here's Corpus and her serve. Has been one of the most difficult sets for these two sides, actually. Wali has to end it quickly.
She was just way up in the air over the blockers of USD when she took that hit. And so far, Ortiz with 4 blocks and 10 attack points. On the other side, partner Hawaka, 32 attack points, 2 service points, and a block.
And this is far from over as USD continues to growl. They're down by a point, 16-17. Ortiz will be all set to serve. You know, San Sebastian entered this game with their eyes wide open. This is USD. Their V-League arch rival, actually. Nice dunk. Nice decision.
Oh, and USD caught unprepared.
Hindi lagi mo sinasabi, dapat biglain lang. Huwag lagi-lagi ginagawa. Kasi pag lagi-lagi mong ginagawa, hindi gaya na papunta sa Shakey's yan eh. Where it's for fun, family, and pizza. Ay, naunahan ko yung graphics yan eh. Naghahanap siya ng tempo. Binigyan ko siya ng tempo.
Pinahirapan mo ng konti.
Wala siyang katempo. Naghahanap siya ng gap. Eh, hindi ako gumagap. Manigas siya.
Eto na, Saltones with a push.
Hindi ko alam kung ano sinabi ko, pero wala siyang bukas. Oh, huli si Roses. Roses trying to pick herself up. Wali. Yes!
Wali from the back row once again.
Ilan na? 33 points ba?
Dami. Grabe.
And all this just to tie up the game to force a 5th set. Nikasan, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. A good V-League for USD. They have veterans, they have players from their UAAP team. This is a good combination. A little more games and practice. I think Ateneo caught them when they were totally unprepared in that first game in this current season of the V-League. It's a 3-set win by the Lady Eagles. It's now Lastimosa.
Lastimosa finally getting that snap. There you go. Sa kanukulang game, si Aiza, yun yung first game niya na kababalik niya lang. And I think before that game, 2 weeks pa lang ang practice niya with the USD.
Yes. Don is jousting with Di Makulangan. Push. Set up jam. Lastimosa, soft stuff.
Oh, the defense of San Sebastian there. Not this time. Once again, USD going for the second ball, going for a dump.
Just takes a talented setter to be able to do that cleanly. Tied at 19, close as ever. Let's try to sneak in.
Lamang tayo sa gitna habang nag-dyan si Kuya maximize natin ha. Mahina yung gitna nila ha. Jen, ready ka lang dito sa may open ha. Nandun na kayo, nakasiksik na kayo dun sa dulo. Yung unang set ko, hindi na patay. Wala ka na pakapatid pa. Wala.
Ito, pagka USD San Sebastian next time magkaroon, order tayo 2 pizza. Hindi talaga.
Alam na naman natin mangyayari to.
Alam naman nangyari. Never naman nagti-3 sets itong dalawang to eh. Saka ano mo, Diyos. Kompletuhin na natin. Kompletuhin na natin. Next time makaschedule ako ng San Sebastian USD. Pati si Reyna, dadala natin ng Greek salad. Bakit si Reyna Greek salad? Para lumaki. Baka lumaki pa eh.
Dapat lahat ng cheese kainin.
Lahat ng bawal sa akin.
Pwede.
Sige na.
So far, Ortiz, 18 points, and Tunay with 17. Maizov with 14. On the other side, Jeng Boli, 38 gigantic points for her. Sue with 12. Soltones with 4.
Now, USD threatening to win the game. They're ahead 21-19. Berbano with a valiant try, but not enough to keep the ball airborne. That's Sharina Berbano of San Sebastian.
Well, alam mo, partner, itong si Rhea de Macolangan, ito yung bonus na sinasabing kailangan ng UST, no, coming from her. Hindi lang yung setting job niya, eh. Now, she has
Yes,
5 points
yes.
already. 2 from an attack, 2 attack points, 2 block points, and a service point.
Yun ang binubulong ni Oji Mamon. Oji was trying to use, hindi niya, whispering actually. Sabi niya, pumalo ka.
Aside from her 33 excellent sets
Well,
so far.
that's something we always expect from Rhea de Macula, who we've seen grow in volleyball here in the country. Back row attack. Nice combination by San Sebastian. One of those rare plays. Solton is really struggling here. You can see the injury affecting her run. Oh, juggle in the air. Natawa rin si Roses. Block keeps the ball in play. Tough set. Oh, magkagulo kayo dyan, sabi ni Jen.
Pero ang ganda ng pagkakabalik niya. Free ball uli ang balik sa kanila.
Oh, in a way, yes.
That is how you want yung free ball na yan. Mahirapan mo pa rin yung kalaban. And Jeng Boli did just that. So, they take the point.
There is a reason why you give the free ball. Yung hindi na kailangan paluin agad eh.
Saka hindi naman kailangan libreng-libre, napakaganda pang maisiset ng kalaban. Medyo pahirapan niya
I
naman.
agree. It's control actually.
And if it's a free ball, it's easier to direct the ball.
That's even better.
Diba? So,
That's
pwede
even
mo ibigay kung kinino mo gusto.
Wali's shot is played well by Dusaran.
Okay, Sostomon digging it. Mela. Taking that gift.
You know what we should do? We should just put a cannon on top of the net and line up all the liberos and they'll just fire and fire the cannons. Boy, our liberos doing just such a fine job of keeping the ball in play. Hindi nga, lagyan ng kanyon dyan sa taas. Puro volleyball na titira. Line up sila.
Hirap naman nun.
Lazaro, sila Pesos naman. Huli ka, sabi ni Roses.
That's right. St. Roses.
Sabi sa inyo, pizza ang orderin natin. And next time, may chicken pa.
Tingnan mo, perfect timing.
Oo.
Single block.
Single block. So, if you're San Sebastian Rose, ito yung set na ayaw mo matalo. Di
Oo
ba?
eh, sayang
ito yung, kung UST ka naman, sige, pero ayaw ko rin matalo.
Actually, silang dalawa, no? Kasi sayang na sayang yung
Effort.
kung sino man ang matatalo. Dahil yung effort.
Jeng Boli with her best World Cup kick couldn't keep it in play. She was out of position actually.
Well, si Noel nag-text sa lahat daw nang nagpapabati sa kanya. Wala siya rito, pero hi sa inyong lahat.
Pakialam ko. 23-22.
Jeng Boli.
Match point for USD.
Kung kailan pa namang importante, kanina pa niya ginagawa yan.
Well, of course, as his fans club in all the elementary schools throughout the nation. Let's listen in.
Ito ka. Ha? Kung mga 4 ka, mag-quick. Ano lang kumata. Yan. Isipin na tayo maayos. Taas yun ang maigi ha. 4. Quick. Ikaw lang kumata dito. Yan. Isang ikot. Nasa harap na pinili. Ha? Okay. Sagad.
Go guys, go, go, go! It's just a 2-point lead. Kung
Yep.
isipin mo, di
Oo.
ba? Hindi pa to over for San Sebastian.
One stop.
Although,
Kung
no
sa
mistake.
basketball, one stop.
lang.
One stop, no? 2 possessions. But I don't know if that really applies to volleyball. Well, for San Sebastian, but USD They'll take this.
Yeah.
Why not?
Alam mo, parehong pinaghirapan ng dalawang teams itong game na to. But USD, with their blocking, their consistency in blocking, at yung napakitang all around, yung laro ng mga girls, especially doon sa attack, pinagtulong-tulungan talaga.
When their defense gelled together. Shaky play. We will talk to our best player of the game just after this. Big win by UST, Mosi, in 4 sets against their arch rival here in the V-League, the San Sebastian Lady Stacks. Who's our best player?
Well, alam mo, daming hero sa UST. Ortiz at 18 points, si Maizo at 14 points, Lastimosa at 10. Pero ito ang talagang revelation sa atin in today's game. And she is with Rina.
That's right, our Shakey's best player is no other than Carmela Tunay. First of all, congratulations. It was a tight game, Carmela, pero I'm sure may mga improvements at adjustments pa kayong gagawin para mas maging maganda ang ilalaro niyo sa mga susunod yung games. Ano-ano ba yung mga improvements na pwede namin asahan para sa UST Lady Tykes?
Siguro po mag-focus po kami sa coverage and sa blocking since yun yung kulang sa amin, and floor defense kasi po yung mga atake, andun na po yun given na malakas po yung mga seniors and na-train naman siya ng maayos. So.
Alright, dahil ikaw ang ating Shakey's best player, hindi mawawala ang ating Shakey's representative, si Miss Beth, para ibigay sa iyo ang iyong best player prize. Siyempre, may mga gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan para sa larong ito?
Binabati ko po yung daddy ko sa States, yung mga kamag-anak ko po sa California, mga kamag-anak ko sa Batangas and Cavite, tapos mga classmates ko to CA4, hello po, tsaka yung baby ni Ate Aiza sa AJ, hello po, tsaka yung coach ko na high school, hello. Thank you po.
Alright, maraming salamat din sa iyo, Carmela. Congratulations again to the Lady Tigers. I'll turn you back to Sev and Timothy.
Thank you. Lagi may hinahabol. Nasa kanila.
Ganyan talaga yan.
Oh, okay.
Bigla mong naalala sa huli.
Yes, ang bahabol namin. Tama nga pala. Next week, next time, sama kayo dito ulit sa Shakey's B-League. We'll see you next time here in the place where volleyball is always hot.